Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert infinity symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the infinity symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer, just going to show. So we can insert the infinity symbol by two ways. The first way, you just can press Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard. So it will open the dialog box, Windows symbol dialog box. Press Windows key plus dot symbol. So now you just need to go to the symbol option, Omega symbol option here. This is a symbol option, click this. Now you just need to press the infinity symbol, which is a Mac symbol, and here just scroll down to the bottom section and you can find the infinity symbol. This is one of the way that you can insert the infinity symbol. The second way, you just need to press the insert key on the top and just need to click on the equation. Now you have the equation symbols here, so click on this drop menu and here you can find the infinity symbol from here, Mac symbol. So this is the second way. These are the two ways that you can just insert a infinity symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.